Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Just Eat app black screen problem. So please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Just Eat app, then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option on the top. Now tap on clear cache, and after that clear data. Now OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared, so close this app. And the next step is go to Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Now tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Now tap on search bar on the top, and here type Just Eat. And search it. So here you will see update button option instead of open option, because I have updated it already. So simply tap on that update button to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the black screen issue. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.